Step 1. Open the box and take out the hood air vent trim covers. Clean the installation area and apply adhesion promoter. Step 2. Identify the left/right model, the locator sticker, and its position. Carefully paste the locator sticker according to the position shown in the video. Step 3. Peel off the tape from the back of the hood air vent trim covers as shown in the video. Step 4. Install the hood air vent trim cover according to the locator sticker. While peeling off the remaining protective film from the tape, press to adhere it. The installation steps for the hood air vent trim cover on the other side are the same. Note: do not drive the vehicle within 24 hours after installation. Avoid cleaning the vehicle within 72 hours after installation.